AutoCoder review. Is this AI coding tool worth it? So first, what is AutoCoder? AutoCoder is an open source AI code generation model and coding assistant developed by AIG Code and researchers at the University of Connecticut. It achieved a remarkable 90% pass score on the human evaluation benchmark as compared to ChatGPT's Turbo, and it also supports internal package installation, making it far more versatile than its peers. It also follows a training method called IAEV instruct, which combines agent interaction with code execution validation for correct and runnable code generation. So what it offers is its strengths and positive features. It is top benchmark performance. It outperforms GPT-4 Turbo and GPT-4o. They even have execution-aware generation, which can install and use external packages during runtime. It also has a self-improving iteration, and it's also open source and flexible with deployment. But it comes with weaknesses. It's still developer focused, they have context dependency, and they have education curve, which means it's harder to get familiar with while running local LLMs. So in conclusion, it's not suitable for users expecting plug-and-play IDE features like visual UI or package enterprise support. And beginners who prefer voice assistant style tools or those without developer setups should avoid this platform. So AutoCoder is legitimate and impressive powerful, but it's one of the best of AI coding models for real-world generations.